If you're thinking about IVF in Spain, you may be asking yourself one simple question. What exactly is IVF and how does the treatment work? In this video, we'll explain IVF in a clear and simple way. What it is, who is it for, and the main steps of the process. What is IVF? IVF stands for In Vitro Fertilization. It is one of the most common fertility treatments used in Spain and around the world. In vitro means that fertilization is going to happen at the lab, outside the woman's body. In other words, the egg and the sperm are brought together in carefully controlled conditions, and once an embryo develops, it can be transferred back into the uterus. IVF is often recommended when pregnancy has not happened naturally or when other fertility treatments have not been successful. Who is IVF for? IVF may be recommended in different situations. For example, it can be indicated for patients who have had several unsuccessful attempts of artificial insemination, women with repeated miscarriages, patients with endometriosis, women with blocked fallopian tubes or absence of fallopian tubes, couples facing moderate or severe male infertility, women with low ovarian reserve, also for single women, lesbian couples, and patients who need pre-implantation genetic testing or PGT. In many cases, IVF with woman's own eggs is recommended for those who are under 43 years old. Why? Because at that stage, depending on the individual situation, the ovarian reserve may still be capable of producing eggs that can develop into embryos. Of course, every case is going to be different. Age is important, but it's not the only factor. Ovarian reserve, egg quality, medical history, and previous treatments also play a key role in deciding which option is going to be the most suitable. It is also important to remember that IVF can be performed with your own eggs or with donor eggs, depending on each patient's diagnosis and fertility journey. IVF success rates. The truth is that success rates depend on each patient's individual situation, especially age, ovarian reserve, sperm quality, embryo quality, and medical history. With appropriate diagnosis testing, personalized treatment, and close follow-up, the following pregnancy rates can be achieved. 62% under 35 years old, 51% between 36 and 39 years old, 43% between 40 and 43 years old. These figures are a helpful guide, but your own prognosis should always be discussed individually with your fertility specialists. What is the difference between IVF and ICSI? There are two main ways to fertilize the egg during IVF. There is the conventional IVF and ICSI. In conventional IVF, the egg and the sperm are placed together in the lab, and fertilization occurs spontaneously or naturally if the sperm is able to penetrate the egg. In ICSI, which stands for intracytoplasmatic sperm injection, the embryologist selects one sperm and injects it directly into the egg. This is usually used when sperm quality is lower or when there is a male fertility factor. So both forms of IVF. The difference is simply how the fertilization is carried out in the laboratory. Step-by-step process of IVF in Spain. Let's now look at the IVF process step by step. Step 1. First consultation. Everything begins with a first consultation. This is where the medical team reviews your history, any previous treatments, your test results, and your fertility goals. The aim is to understand the case and design the most appropriate treatment plan for you. Step 2. Ovarian stimulation. The next step is ovarian stimulation. This means taking hormonal medication for several days to help the ovaries produce multiple eggs in one cycle, instead of just one follicle. During this phase, you will be monitored with ultrasound scans and sometimes blood tests, so that the team can follow your response and adjust the protocol if needed. Step 3. Egg retrieval. Once the follicles are ready, the eggs are going to be collected through a procedure called the egg retrieval or pickup. This is a short procedure performed in the clinic. This is step 4, fertilization and embryo development. After retrieval, the eggs are fertilized in the laboratory using either conventional IVF or ICSI. The embryos are then monitored as they develop. In some cases, additional techniques may be recommended, such as, for example, PGT-A testing to study the chromosomes of the embryos, genetical compatibility testing, endometrial receptivity testing, endometrial immunology, or time-lapse embryo monitoring. These associated techniques can be especially useful in more complex cases or after previous failed attempts. Step 5 is the embryo transfer. Once the embryo is ready, it is transferred into the uterus. This is a quite simple step and usually painless procedure. After that will come the final step, which is waiting for the pregnancy test. Types of IVF available in Spain. IVF in Spain can be adapted to many family projects and medical situations. For example, treatment may involve your own eggs and your own partner's sperm, your own eggs and donor sperm, IVF with PGT testing, donor eggs and your partner's sperm, double donation, where we use both donor eggs and donor sperm, or the ROPA method, also known as shared motherhood from female couples. This flexibility is one of the main reasons why many international patients choose fertility treatments here in Spain. Why many patients choose IVF in Spain? Spain is one of the leading countries in Europe for assisted reproduction, and many patients choose to come here because of the medical experience, advanced laboratory techniques, and the possibility of receiving highly personalized care. At Vida Fertility, the focus is on combining the state-of-the-art technologies, individualized treatment protocol, continuity of care with same team, and a human boutique clinic approach. At Vida Fertility, many patients come after long fertility journey and several previous failed cycles. This is why every stimulation protocol is based on the patient's result and previous treatments, with the aim of improving ovarian response while preserving the egg quality. For many patients, especially those complex cases or with previous failures, this personalized approach can make a real difference. IVF is not just a treatment. It is a personalized process designed around your diagnosis, your medical history, and your goals. If you are wondering whether IVF in Spain could be the right option for you, the best first step is a personalized fertility consultation. At Vida Fertility, our team will guide you in English, explain your options clearly, and help you find the treatment that best fits your case. Book your personalized consultation with Vida Fertility and take the first step towards understanding your fertility options here in Spain.